You go through all his election affidavits, you will realize the growth pattern of his land ownership. Mr. Sawant should immediately clarify, number one, did he buy this huge chunk of land in Sawantwadi? Did he buy it for 38 lakh rupees, 2966 acres as stated by the website? Was there a crusher on this land? Did he declare the presence of the crusher on this land? Was metal stone from this crusher being supplied to the contractors of GSIDC, of which he was the chairman? And if he bought that land, 2966 acres for 38 lakh rupees, you know how much per acre is it? 1281 rupees per acre. 2016, if this is the kind of money, small change for such a huge land, we really want to know. Found out about Jai Ganesh Developers and Associates, the partnership firm of the Chief Minister, which was registered in 2014, and within 2 years, it executed minimum 24 sale deeds in North Goa.
Digital membership, जी CWC decision घेतल्याक हेजे मुखार digital membership करपाची app based membership all India, and we are fortunate that entire Goa has been selected for a pilot project. So along with Goa, Chhattisgarh and 2 districts of Uttar Pradesh. Now we are fortunate that all these 3 states where this pilot project is going, the Goa is the first state to launch it,